Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Keisha, and today, as you guys already see by the title, I will be installing this lovely 24-inch water wave wig with these 2 stitch braids in the front by Wiggins Hair. I will be installing this lovely wig by Wiggins Hair with you guys today. This wig is 24 inches water wave. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled. Like, it came with these braids already, with this baby hair already. Like, the wig was literally ready to go, literally. So here I'm just unboxing the wig. As you can see, this wig is from Wiggins Hair Company. That's the wig. They give you a pair of lashes, a edge brush, a edge wrap, and also a hair bag. I got so many hair bands. Yes, I love hair bands. But I have a 24-inch water wave wig, HD lace, and it is so freaking cute. I love the 2 braids that came in the front. Look at that. Thin lace, full lace around the whole front. Like, don't y'all hate them lace front wigs where you can't even get a swoop, a side part, or nothing. Like, this is a full frontal at the front. I love that. So right here I am just putting makeup on my cap. I put this all around my cap just so it can give my lace that natural scalp look when I part it. I'm also going to put it on my lace as well. I just like full coverage, so I put it on my lace and my cap. And I don't know if I told y'all, but yes, I am babysitting Booney. And of course, he doesn't let me do any work, so yeah, quick break. So in total, I did ended up using 3 layers of glue because I am going out of town tomorrow. So I just wanted my lace to be secure. So yeah, I'm putting on my final layer, and then I'm going to lay my wig down.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not like you do. I can't lose without with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do better like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do better like you do. You do.
Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see more of in the comments, y'all. I'm actually getting ready for my cousin's graduation. My cousin Ben graduated today, so I'm getting ready for her graduation, and I just wanted to install my wig with you guys. Again, you can get this wig from Wiggins Hair. It is 100% beginners friendly, comes plucked, bleached, all styled. Literally all you have to do is put it on. It's completely glueless as well. It could be glueless if you want it to be. I'm going out of town tomorrow, so I wanted to glue mine down, but you don't have to. And yeah, this is the look. Super cute, just a fun, you know, little wig. So